Neena's Thai Kitchen. I am so pleased to let you know that I am now one of the brand ambassador of 99 Ranch Market. We're going to be part of the 99 Ranch Market's Ranch Recipe. Ranch Recipe is where we inspire you to find your inner chef with the ingredients that you can find at 99 Ranch Market. The Lunar New Year is coming soon. If you guys looking for a dish to cook for this celebration, I would like to recommend one of the must dish, steamed fish. Because fish symbolize surplus and wealth. Gōng for Chai.
Yeah, it makes me smile.
So today's recipe is Bandeng Manao, or authentic Thai steamed fish with lamb sauce. The taste is supposed to be a sour, spicy, garlicky. It's a great combination of Thai flavors. This recipe is very easy and simple to cook. There are only 2 steps of cooking. One, steam fish, and second, you just make a sauce and pour it over the fish. That's all.
Yeah, it makes me smile.
Pla Krapong or Barramundi fish is the most popular white fish in Thailand for this dish, but sometimes it's hard to find it everywhere. So I use sea bass instead, because I can find it easily at 99 Ranch Market nearby my house. You can use the whole fish, or you can use the fillet of fish. First, we have to clean our fish first, remove scale and guts. Actually, I have the butcher at Ranch 99 do it for me. All I have to do is just ask them for the #1 service. To reduce the fishy smell, we're going to stuff the crushed lemongrass and top with gingers. Option 1, wok steam. Boil water with lemongrass to add more aroma. Once the water starts boiling, place a steaming rack. If you don't have a steaming rack, you can use the aluminum foil, form it in a circle about 2 inches high. Steam the fish for about 15 to 20 minutes, and while we're waiting, we're going to prepare our sauce. I use the sliced garlic because if you like garlic, you can scoop it easily, and if you don't like it, you can just avoid it. The original recipe doesn't have ginger. I add ginger into this recipe because I think that ginger goes well with fish. It's optional per your taste. We're going to smash the lemongrass to release the aroma and use half of them to stuff inside the fish and the other half to boil with water. It's time to make a simple lamb sauce. Heat up chicken broth, palm sugar, and fish sauce and bring it to boil. Let it cool down and add lamb sauce and the rest of the ingredient. Yes, that's it. We're done with our sauce. Let's go back to check with our fish. This fish is about 1.5 pounds and I steam it for about 15 minutes. Check if the fish is cooked. If not, go ahead to steam it for a couple more minutes. When the fish is fully cooked, discard fish water, ginger, and lemongrass. Using a steamer to steam a fish is the easiest one. Boil water with lemongrass in the bottom part and put the fish on the top part. Steam it for about 15 to 20 minutes, depends on the size of the fish. Check and make sure that the fish is fully cooked. Final step, just pour the sauce on the fish and garnish it to make it look even more delicious. This is my version with ginger. Yummy! Okay, I'm going to have it with sauce and garlic. Maybe, let me see. And chili and ginger. That's what I like. This will be my first bite. So good. I can have soup too. Oh my god. This is the best.
If you don't like the whole fish fillet works as well. First, place lemongrass on a plate, then fish fillet, and then topping it with gingers. Steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes, either by a wok or a steamer. Always check to make sure that it's cooked. If it's not, go ahead to steam it another couple more minutes. This fish is 1 pound and I steam it for 10 minutes and it's fully cooked. When the fish is fully cooked, discard fish water, ginger, and lemongrass. Here is a Thai lime sauce that we prepared earlier. Looks so good. Pour the sauce over the fish and garnish it to make it look like a restaurant dish. It will taste like one for sure.
That's it for this episode of #French recipe. What would you like us to make next? Please comment below. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like, share to your friends. Thanks, bye!
Makes me smile.